Good morning this Monday, the 16th of October. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street closed mixed on Friday amid a spike in the price of oil and renewed inflation fears, which led to the Dow Jones rising 0.12%, while the S&P 500 fell 0.5% and the tech-heavy Nasdaq lost 1.23%. For the week, the S&P 500 added 0.45% and the Dow Jones rose 0.79%, but the tech-heavy Nasdaq fell 0.18% over the 5 trading days. Escalating geopolitical tensions in the Middle East caused the price of oil to jump 6%, the most in one session since April. Dollar General shares popped 8.8% on Friday after the discount retailer announced former CEO Todd Vasos would return to lead the company, while chipmaker and AI shares, including Adobe and Nvidia shares, rallied to end the week higher. The release of key consumer sentiment data also weighed on Wall Street on Friday, with the reading showing investor sentiment plunged in October while inflation fears spiked. Third quarter earnings results are also in focus over the next week in the US, as investors will assess how corporations are faring the high interest rate environment. JP Chase and Wells Fargo kicked off the earnings period with stronger than expected profit and revenue for the third quarter. Over in Europe, markets closed lower on Friday amid global investor sentiment sliding, especially on the back of rising geopolitical tensions between Hamas and Israel. The Stock 600 fell 1%, weighed down by technology stocks dropping 2.5%. Germany's DAX shed 1.55% on Friday. The French CAC fell 1.42%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 lost 0.6%. Locally on Friday, the ASX 200 fell just over 0.5%, weighed down by a sell-off in technology and real estate stocks, which are both sectors impacted by higher interest rates, which is the general consensus at the moment among investors through the sentiment of higher for longer. Chalice Mining shares fell a further 8.3% on Friday, while Weebit, Nano and Lithium fell over 6% each. Bega Cheese shares rallied 3% though on the other end of the market after Bell Potter upgraded the dairy maker to a buy rating with a price target of $3.35 per share. On the commodities front this morning, oil is up 5.99% at $87 and 87 cents a barrel. Gold is up 3.42% at $1,932.5 an ounce, and iron ore is up 1.74% at $117 a ton. One Aussie dollar is buying 63 US cents, 94.13 Japanese yen, 52.06 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 6 cents. Ahead of the new trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are expecting the local market to open the new trading session down 0.42% to start the new trading week lower. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has increased the 12-month price target on Coventry Group from $1.35 to $1.40 and maintain a buy rating on the company following the release of the multidisciplinary industrial supply and services company's first quarter FY24 trading update, including Coventry on track for a very strong FY24. Group sales for the first quarter were up mid-single digits to $94.6 million, while unaudited pre-AASB 16 EBITDA came in at $5.4 million, up 11% on the prior corresponding period. And Trading Central has identified a bearish signal on Ingenia Communities Group following the formation of a pattern over a period of 59 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may fall from the close of $3.96 to the range of $3.45 to $3.55, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all we have time for today. Have a wonderful Monday, and as always, happy investing.